Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this simple puff stitch flower. Okay, so you can make this as embellishment or or anything, you know, like in a handbag, or you can make this as a blanket or scarves, or or a highlight of your, you know, embellishment of anything. Okay, so let's get started. Hello guys, so let's get started. For this tutorial I will be using my 4.5 millimeter hook and red, white, and yellow. Okay, so red, white, and yellow yarn. Okay, so this is acrylic, so I will be showing you guys today how to two ways of how to make a puff stitch puff stitch flower. Okay, so first is just one color, and then the second is I will make a two color. Okay, so let's get started. To start with, okay, we are going to do a slip knot. Okay, and after that, okay, we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the first chain, okay, we are going to insert our hook and do a slip knot. Okay, so as you can see, we have here our magic ring. Okay, so from here we are going to make 6 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so after that we are going to slip stitch into the first chain, okay, that we made, first single crochet that we made. Okay, so we are going to slip stitch, and from here we are going to chain 3. Okay, so in the chain here, if you can see, okay, so we have here in the chain in the same stitch. Okay, so we have to insert, okay, and then pull up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, so we are going to do that 5 times, and then after that yarn over and then pull through all 5, then chain 2. Okay, so in the next chain you are going to slip stitch and chain 3, and into the same stitch we are going to pull up again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so yarn over and then pull through all hooks, 1, 2, all loops in the hook. Okay, and to go to the next, okay, and do slip stitch and chain 3. Okay, and to the next is in the same stitch we're going to do our puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, chain 2. Okay, and then next slip stitch, chain 3, and insert there, pull up, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2, slip stitch. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4 at the moment, so we need 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one here. Slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yarn over and then pull through all loops in the hole. Okay, and then 1, 2, and into the first here. Okay, we are going to slip stitch. Okay, and then fasten up. So as you can see, okay, so that is our puff stitch. Okay, so that is one. Okay, so now I will be showing you the next one. Okay, so we are going to start with slip knot. And chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and insert and slip stitch. Okay, so in the middle here we are going to make 6. Two, 3, 4, 5, and 6 single crochet. Okay, and then here in the first one we are going to slip stitch. Okay, and cut it off. Okay, so then we are going to grab our next column. Okay, and we are just going to insert into the chain, okay, before our knot. Okay, and then we are going to pull up a yarn, okay, and I will just pull that tight, and from here we are going to chain 3. Okay, and in the same stitch we are going to make our puff stitch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then yarn over and then pull through all. Sorry guys, so let's do that again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and just pull that up and yarn over, pull through all and chain 2 and into the next chain. Okay, we are going to do a slip stitch. And chain 3. Okay, and we are going to do our second puff. 2, 3, 4, 5. And yarn over and pull through all 5. Chain 2 and into the next we're going to do a slip stitch. Okay, chain 3 and we are going to do the same. Okay, we're going to do our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and the next slip stitch, and 3. Okay, as you can see, okay, we have our puff stitch. Okay, so you can do this way, okay, or in the other side. Okay, so continue that guys. Okay, as we know and as we did into our first. Okay, so this is just the normal one, but what I said is if you want this way you can do that as well. Okay, and you just have to puff that out here, but this is the normal one. Okay, it's already puffed here and you just have to put this way. Okay, thank you very much guys. Hopefully you like this video. And this is a simple puff stitch. Okay, thank you very much guys, and until to the next video, bye.